how to stop apps from tracking your location. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video, I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. For that, I will simply look for that app that I think that was tracking my location. So for example, I think Chrome was tracking my location. So for that, I will simply hold on to Chrome. Here I can see IE like on left. In some devices you can see three dots, so two dots is simply click on that. So I simply click on IE. Here you guys will see storage usage data uses binary notification, but I will simply click on permissions. Now here you guys can see allowed, not allowed. So in allowed you guys can see camera, location, microphone, notification, photo and devices. So I will simply disable no guidance about that. I will simply click on location. Now I simply click on don't allow. Also I simply click on don't allow anyway. Once I do that, my location will be not tracked anymore by that app. So basically you need to disable your location permission from that app. Thanks for watching.